front of me is Blackview Tab 6, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, open Devices settings and choose Other wireless connection. Then hit Printing at the top. Tap on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use different service, remember to disable this one thanks to blue switcher at the top right corner. Then go back and click on Add Service below the default one. Now you can install the best one for your printer. And when it's ready, go back to the same printing settings. Now just tap on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!